Looking for the perfect upgrade to your astronomical setup without breaking the bank? Check out this top on-sale product, the Svbony Telescope Eyepiece Set. Introducing the Svbony 1.25-inch Ultra Wide Angle Eyepiece Set, perfect for beginner and experienced astronomers alike. With focal lengths of 6mm, 9mm, 15mm, and 20mm, and a wide 68-degree field of view, you're getting clarity, versatility, and performance all in one package. Each eyepiece features a 1.25-inch, 31.7mm barrel, fully multi-coated optics, and 17mm of eye relief for a comfortable viewing experience, even during long observation sessions. Precision lens designs vary by focal length, such as 5 elements in 3 groups for the 6mm and 20mm, 6 elements in 4 groups for the 9mm, and more, delivering outstanding image quality across the board. And the best part? It's currently 58% off. Now just $44.64, down from the original $105.30. Click the link in the description below to grab this deal while it lasts. If you're serious about stargazing, this is a must-have set for your collection. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description below to buy now. Like this video if it helped you. Comment if you want more gear recommendations and subscribe for more tech and telescope reviews.